Have you been thinking about paying off your mortgage early? I know it sounds like such a dream. No more monthly payments. Probably one of the biggest payments you make a month as well. But here's the question we have to ask ourselves. Is that the smartest move for your financial future here in the greater Phoenix metro area? So let's break down the real pros and cons before you write that big old fat check. Hey everyone, I'm Katie Evans, the Real Estate Boss Mom here in Arizona with the Living 48 Real Estate team, and welcome back to another one of our weekly vlog videos. Super excited to have you, and as you know, I am someone who works with homeowners every single day. So I know how tempting it can be to pay off your mortgage early. I mean, really, what a financial goal to achieve, and wow, I mean, that is just crazy. So what could feel so good emotionally may not always be the best financially strategic move for you. So in today's video, we're gonna unpack that. You make the best decision for your financial situation and for your personal future, but let's just look at it a little bit objectively, all right? So first, let's start with the benefits of completely paying off that mortgage, like debt-free with your house. Amazing, amazing. So the first benefit of that is financial freedom, obviously. You're gonna eliminate probably your biggest monthly bill. That's a peace of mind, plain and simple. No way around it. So great. All right. The second benefit to paying it off is going to be your interest savings. No matter what your interest rate is, you are paying interest on that loan. So the faster you reduce the principal, the less you can pay in interest long term. Pay it off early, you get rid of all that interest payment. All right. The third benefit, cash flow increase. So imagine now you've got what you were spending monthly on your mortgage payment, and you can use that somewhere else. You can put it into travel. You can put it into investments, early retirement. There are so many things you can use that money for. The sky's the limit. All right. The fourth benefit, reduced risk. Yep. Owning your home outright reduces your risk, gives you security in tough times and tough financial times, all the things. All right, and the last and fifth bonus, and the good news about it, the point is going to be that you're going to have an equity boost, okay? No mortgage means more net worth, greater long-term stability financially. There are a lot of great benefits to paying off that mortgage payment. But let's, again, objectively flip the script. Let's look at what maybe some of the reasons not to pay off that mortgage early would be, okay? So just, again, to consider. First one, opportunity cost, okay? Could you take all that money that you were gonna use to pay off your mortgage and put it somewhere else, like stocks, bonds, maybe a second property, and actually have it give you a higher return on your investment? That's something to consider. Okay, the second one, liquidity loss. If your cash has all been used to pay off that mortgage payment, you're not going to be able to easily access the cash. I mean, the only way to do that would be to either refinance or sell the property, maybe try and take out a home equity line of credit or loan on it, but all that's going to have a higher interest rate than most likely the interest rate you would have had on the mortgage to begin with. All right, the third thing to look at are the tax implications, and this is a really real one. If you itemize deductions, you might find that the mortgage payment and the interest that you have there is a tax write-off, and that might be financially beneficial to you still to hold on to that. All right, the next one is your lack of diversification. Putting all of your eggs into that one real estate basket could limit your financial flexibility. So again, something to consider. And for the last one that I want you to just really objectively look at and consider for your own personal situation, cash flow strain. So I don't want you to ever pull out the money from your emergency funds, your emergency savings, your retirement contributions, your retirement savings, any of those kind of things, just so that you could be mortgage free. That is just not a good idea at all. As it's not good financial thinking, if you will. So I want you to know that there truly is no one size fits all answer here. It really depends on your goals. It depends on your age. It depends on your cash flow. And it really depends on your risk tolerance, okay? If you're living debt adverse and you want peace of mind, great. But if you're growth-minded and financially stable, investing somewhere else may possibly give you greater rewards. So the key to this whole video is for you to sit down with your own numbers and your own situation and your own tolerances and determine if this is good. You need to be intentional. And even more importantly than that, you need to be consulting with a really well-trusted financial advisor who knows your entire financial picture, your goals, what you're working on, where you're at, all right? That is always the best advice I can ever give anyone financially. So make sure you consult with that trusted financial advisor. All right, so buying, selling, just thinking about your next money move in real estate? Absolutely, I would love to chat with you. I'll help you look for the big picture, help make the smartest choices for yourself and your lifestyle and your long-term goals. Again, just as a reminder, I'm Katie Evans, aka the Real Estate Boss Mom, and I am here to help you make those real estate decisions, just like a boss, just like the boss you are. So if you have any questions, please reach out to us. We would love to chat with you. You guys are great. We'll see you on our next weekly video.